how they give switch numbers or switch words ಹೇಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ.
But I'm not like, I don't go overboard with switch words. Even numerology nalli ನಾನು overboard ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ some people go like little mental when it comes to numbers. No, like my husband, okay. He goes
on camera she's saying this.
He goes little, like initially at least, he went little cuckoo with numbers. He'll keep alarm for the time, like, you know, 600, like, you know, something
603,
adding up.
9.
Like that. Something connected to his lucky number. I'll be like, what is this faltu thing you're doing? It is not.
ನಾನು ಅಲಾರ್ಮ್ ವರ್ಗೂ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಯು ನೋ ಐ ಡೂ ದಿಸ್. ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಲೈಕ್ ಈಗ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಚೆಕ್ ಇನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಮೀ ಮೈ ಕಸಿನ್
ನೈಸ್ ನಂಬರ್,
ನೈಸ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಓಕೆ, ದೇ ಗಿವ್ 2 ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. I'll be like, this like ನನಗೆ 4 and 8 ಆಗಲ್ಲ guys, I want the other room ಅಂತ. Even though the room will be so good and whatever.
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಬಕ್ವಾಸ್, honestly ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಬಕ್ವಾಸ್. I'm
sorry. I clarified it today.
All bakwas. I'm sorry for all the people who are listening. Please, if you all are thinking, if you all are going overboard, but really that.
But what about the vehicle plate number?
Vehicle number, yes, a little bit. Like it contributes a little bit. Account number does matter. Phone number matters.
Phone number matters.
But not as much as your name. See, when people yaar jana ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲೂಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ದೇ ಆರ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಯ್ಯೋ ನನಗೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇದು ಟೈಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ. ಸಿ ಯು ಆರ್ ಪುಟಿಂಗ್ ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ವೆನ್ ಆರ್ ಯು ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ವರ್ಕ್? ಯು ನೋ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪುಟ್, like these things should not disempower you, they should empower you. All these modalities nimge tailwind kodbeku. It's not that you stop hustling. Like I hustle, I work hard, I work smart, I have several businesses that I do. It's not that, oh nan numerology madidini Netflix nododu, like you said. No, it's not like that. Life doesn't work. These are all like, you know, supportive. You don't say that, oh, you know what, I've done manifestation for losing weight and I'm just going to keep quiet and sit and eat, you know, suji ka halwa and sab kuch I'm going to lose weight. Agalla, it's a scam. It does not work. See, you got to align yourself. Like
ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಮಯೂರ ಅಂತ ಮೇನ್ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಪೂರಾ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ನೀವು ನೋಡಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಾ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ಶೇರ್ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಿ.